Men is considered the weaker of the gender biologically. A weight is not at all a parameter of a baby's health.
Can someone who is having PCOS or thyroid will still have a smooth pregnancy?
I've delivered in a rickshaw, in an elevator, stairs, on the road, pavements,
This
removed.
generation, I guess, would have just said, I have made out over here, I'm made out over here, and you are like, I've delivered kids.
We've pulled baby out of commodes.
What?
Unfortunately, our society is not really progressive, sympathetic towards women health. अभी men को बोलो कि 35 के बाद कल कोई आदमी बाप नहीं बन पाएगा तो सब कराएंगे.
Who would be or should be considered the real mother after surrogacy?
At the end of the day, the mother who takes care of the child and grows the child is the mother. How does it matter वो कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Welcome to yet another podcast, and today we have someone who gives new life not only to babies but to the entire family. Please welcome Yuvraj Singh.
Thank you so
You
much.
are a leading IVF specialist and a gynac. How does it feel every time giving a new happiness to a family? How does it feel like?
I think it's great. मतलब इसका मुझे humble answer नहीं आता, but it is great. And as I was just saying कि जहाँ पे world में doctors की respect थोड़ी कम हो रही है, अभी भी हमारी branch ऐसी है जहाँ पे वो gratification अभी भी है.
Why कम हो रही है? I mean,
I think it's to do with both. At least from the doctors' family and fraternity जो हम है community, we feel that level of respect that people used to give doctors is not there anymore. The level of trust is not there as it was maybe 20 years back. और मैंने तो देखा ही है. Like I am in that transition phase, so I know 10 years back जब हमारे teachers को जो respect मिलती थी वो नहीं मिलती. I think education is more people. Also at the same time I think a lot of doctors have become commercial, so people have stopped trusting them. No,
Correct.
it's healthcare has become costly, so partly the medical system is blamed, but luckily हम उनसे परे हैं.
I'm sure that's why.
Yeah.
I mean, your reels are so viral, and it's such an emotional moment every time I see your reel. Like, I just said you before that एक ऐसा reel है जहाँ पे एक औरत आपके पैरों पे गिर गई जब आप बेबी बाहर लेके आ रहे हो.
Yeah.
So my first question is, do you remember the first baby born under your care?
Yeah,
And
I
what
do.
was that feeling?
I do actually, because उसी दिन मैंने decide किया था कि मैं गायनैक बनूंगा, but feeling बहुत अच्छी नहीं.
क्यों?
So it was 2005.
Okay.
And I was in my second year of MBBS, and जब हम लोग MBBS करते हैं तो हमारी rotations होती है. You go in every field.
Correct.
Right. So it was my first gynecology rotation, and it was my first day. And I think my teacher was busy, so they said आज मैं कुछ पढ़ाऊँगा नहीं, आप लेबर वार्ड एज इन OT रूम में जाके वहाँ पे डिलीवरीज हो रही है देखिए. सो वी वर असाइंड one पेशेंट, एंड आई वॉज असाइंड दिस फीमेल. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हर नेम वॉज रश्मिका. एंड वी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड आवरसेल्व्स, एंड द सिस्टर सेड इनकी डिलीवरी आपको देखनी है, असिस्ट करनी है, जो भी सीखना है, इनसे बातें करो, ये वो. एंड दैट डिलीवरी विच वॉज सपोज टू बी my lecture or my session which was supposed to be 1 hour, वो डिलीवरी 6 घंटे तक नहीं
Oh my God.
हुई. And we were waiting, and all of my colleagues went home, and my teacher was very strict कि नहीं, तुम्हारा patient है, तुमको देखनी है तो यही देख के जाओ. And somehow मुझे भी देखनी तो थी ही.
Okay.
People get scared, to be very honest. It's a little you might not be very comfortable. I've seen husbands जो बेहोश हो जाते हैं खुद की वाइफ को डिलीवर
Oh my
देखते
God,
हुए.
don't say that.
But somehow मुझे थोड़ा interest लगा, and then I was talking to that girl, and it took 6-7 hours for her to deliver, and finally she delivered the baby. And I don't know, I still remember it was a baby boy, and she had some trouble delivering, and my teacher had to come, and so he used to do an instrumental delivery. मतलब उसकी normal हो रही थी but हो नहीं रही थी, तो forceps लगाते हैं, मतलब ऐसे हिंदी में या गुजराती में जन चिपियो, the 2 prongs are inserted and pull the baby out. It was very fascinating for me. And
Very
then, of
scary at the
course,
same time
It was
for me.
scary, but yeah, and the baby was crying, and the mother was happy, and it was all great. And it was, I think, मैं आई थिंक मैंने एंटर किया था 10 बजे एंड आई लेफ्ट एट अराउंड 7 o'clock इन द इवनिंग, सब खत्म करके थक गया था, बट उस रात को डिसाइड किया
But
कि
did you always knew that this is it, that, or did you find this fertility along the way of your journey?
फर्टिलिटी आई डेंट नो, बट 2000 मतलब 1 साल इनटू माय कॉलेज आई न्यू कि मुझे गायनेकोलॉजी करना था, विच वाज वेरी अनयूजुअल एट दैट टाइम, बिकॉज यू नो यूजुअली ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा ब्रेन सर्जन बन जाओ और हार्ट सर्जन बन जाओ, और यू नो लाइक माय पेरेंट्स वर आल्सो लाइक कि, एंड व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम दैट फॉर अ लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई डिडंट से, बिकॉज पीपल आल्सो फील गायनेकोलॉजी में बहुत पैसे नहीं है.
Yeah.
Right.
So है कि नहीं है? यार मैंने तो
अच्छे
मेरे
वो
कुछ
तो है.
Okay.
If so, in fact, it's basically the work is more, emergencies ज़्यादा है, tension ज़्यादा है, responsibility बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Right.
Right. So gynec branch is considered to be one of the most legally fragile branch. मतलब cases ज़्यादा होते हैं, बच्चे को कुछ हो गया. अब with all due respect to all cancer surgeons, but कैंसर का पेशेंट की डेथ हो जाए तो पीपल ने एक्सपेक्ट ही किया है कि ठीक है वो तो
okay,
नहीं
yes.
बचने वाला, even if something has gone wrong. But
So
if a
कभी
baby
ऐसा हुआ है
dies,
कि let's say some baby has died and the family is pressurizing, भाई तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, मतलब it's all movie scenes, कैसे होता है यार?
yeah, of course, especially when you're going for your training purposes. अब जब
Right.
हम मेडिकल कॉलेज में काम करते हैं, it is every day, बिकॉज वहाँ पे सिर्फ हाई रिस्क केसेस आते हैं. देर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स, मतलब मुझे बहुत बार पॉडकास्ट में भी पूछा था, ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि माँ को बचाओ या बच्चे को बचाओ?
हाँ.
Happens definitely, but वहाँ पे कोई डिलेमा नहीं है. We are very clear, mother comes first.
Okay.
राइट. देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन पेशेंट्स हैव कम घर से आराम से और हमने चेक किया और पता चला कि बच्चे की हार्ट बीट ही नहीं है. दे आर जस्ट नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट कि ये कैसे हुआ, मतलब हम तो नॉर्मल थे, घर पे कुछ नहीं हुआ, ऐसे कैसे बच्चे
So
की
how
हार्ट
do you
बीट
keep
नहीं
your
है?
calm at that moment?
वेल यू लर्न, यू नो
It's
लाइक,
all
एंड यू कैन नेवर कीप योर काम. मतलब आज आप मुझे बोलोगे कि अच्छा कल कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो गया तो मैं आई एम लाइक दिस गुरु जिसकी हार्ट बीट नहीं बढ़ती, तो दैट्स रॉन्ग. लाइक इवन व्हेन आई डू एवरी सर्जरी टुडे, 5 minutes 5 सेकेंड के लिए तो जाते वक्त लगेगा कि यार इसमें कुछ नया ना निकले, यू नो लाइक, बिकॉज एवरी बॉडी इज डिफरेंट.
right.
You know, you open a body and n number of things can go wrong, and especially again gynecology is one of the branches जहाँ पे complication rates बहुत high होते हैं, so you should know how to deal with it. But I think over the years you realize कि जहाँ तक आपने बहुत बड़ा blunder नहीं किया है, or everything is manageable with the technology that you have, if you have good instruments, if you have good setups, and you should know where to do the surgery.
Correct.
मतलब अभी आप जैसे आप रास्ते पे पॉडकास्ट नहीं कर सकते, यू विल हैव डिस्टर्बेंसेस,
Yeah,
राइट?
of
इफ यू हैव अ ग्रेट सेटअप, you have a great camera, you are bound to have a good.
Seems like I'm just watching Three Idiots movie. Example बड़ा अच्छा देते हैं ये. So the reason why we do podcast is that people usually learn from the podcast and try to become like you, Mr. Yuvraj, and find a way कि ये इसको business में कैसे convert करें.
Correct.
So according to you, a person, चलो पता है गायनेक की क्या पढ़ाई करनी है, XYZ ये लोगों को पता है, but how to convert that studies and that experience of learning through
Correct.
any hospital to a business,
Correct.
according to you?
Correct. I think it's a little different when it comes to medicine.
Okay.
You know, वो normal, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो normal business के चाणक्य नीतिज है वो शायद मेडिसिन में it doesn't work. Because at the end of the day, it is all about the skill. It's also about how much you want to do. So medicine में ये बहुत important है. You need to understand whether you really want to get into the business of it. Some people can become the greatest surgeons by not getting into the business. They will always work under someone, under a businessman who will invest, and they will just do their work. अगर उसको आप बोलो कि अभी आप 15 हॉस्पिटल की एक कंपनी बनाओ, they will miserably fail. And then there are some who have the knack for both of it. So I think you need to learn that. I think I didn't have the knack for business, but life teaches you. Again, it's difficult to start a hospital when you don't have too much of money, you don't come from a good background, or you don't have parents who are doctors. बनी बनाई हॉस्पिटल में जाके बैठ जाना is difficult because you're not selling anything, right? How do you market yourself?
Exactly. That was my another question. Like, how do you market yourself?
Correct. And in fact, there are laws. You cannot market yourself.
Just like CA, how CAs cannot
correct. So
market
I
yourself.
cannot market myself very inorganically कि अच्छा मैं दुनिया का greatest doctor हूँ, आप मेरे पास आइए. Like you know, like an Hermes bag can say that we are the best bags, and
I may sound dumb, but हर टूथपेस्ट पे ये लिखा हुआ रहता है ये इंडिया का नंबर 1
correct.
टूथपेस्ट है.
So-
So I mean every toothpaste cannot be India ka number 1, but they
Correct.
try to change the words.
correct.
So
We
cannot,
also-
yeah, exactly.
So we do. So I can say that I am one of the leading doctors of the country, but I can never say that I'm the
course,
best doctor of the country. I can never market myself as Dr. Yuvraj, but people have learned. But if I have a company named by Dr. Yuvraj, I can market the company. Now the company's name is
Oh,
Dr.
okay.
Yuvraj.
So it's always
so there are
surrogacies
ways.
everywhere.
Yeah, it's difficult, but there are ways.
Right.
मतलब I cannot say कि मेरी hospital में ये चीज़ें और ये surgeries हो सकती है, but you can always say that you are a good gynecologist. Organic marketing of course can be done. So we have a lot of rules. जैसे अभी तो नए rules आए हैं जहाँ पे if you see certain doctors page also, you will start seeing that nowadays they have stopped putting very operative, like initially I used to put content जहाँ पे baby निकल रहा है बाहर, मैं निकाल रहा हूँ, but that became a part of surgery. So then a rule came that you cannot show intraoperative videos or surgical videos on Instagram or on a social media platform. So we had to stop. But कहीं ना कहीं it worked. It was like a blessing in disguise कि we started concentrating more on people's reactions,
Right.
which was I think more. वो उसमें लोग डर भी जाते थे, अभी इसमें तो क्या ही लोग डरेंगे. People get a feel good factor. So yeah, there is marketing involved, and so in fact also to start a hospital, a lot of businesses, people say that I started from मेरे bedroom से मैंने शुरू किया. You cannot start a medicine
Yeah,
practice
exactly.
from
You
a
cannot.
bedroom,
That's
right?
what. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मैंने 20,000 से चालू किया, 10,000 से चालू. Hospital opening, it's a huge investment.
So like for example, I'm an IVF specialist. अगर मुझे IVF center बनाना है, I will need minimum of 2 to 3 CR of funds to start that. So of course either you ask someone, or maybe you're lucky enough to have great parents to lend you money, or you take a loan. And then once you make the center, people need to come, right? नॉर्मली हम जाके प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं, बट यहाँ पे वो नहीं कर सकते. यहाँ पे आपको लोगों को बुलाना है. सो देन ऑफ कोर्स पीपल.
How usually a IVF doctor earns a year?
यू मीन मनी?
Money?
मेरा तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. Well, I don't know how to answer that question, to be very honest, because it depends on what is your workload, to be very
Right.
honest.
But
like
a normal...
Like, okay, I can tell you, like, if you do, say, 25 to 40 IVF, deal with 25 to 40 IVF patients a month, maybe you can reach somewhere around 80 lakhs to 1 CR a month. But that is your gross income, not your
Okay,
net
your
income.
gross.
Na?
Okay,
So the net you would averagely net around 40%, not
Okay.
more. Depending again on what your marketing cost is.
Correct.
So if your marketing cost is high, you
You are
might
not
end
doing
up...
any marketing, so your might be around
Yeah,
40%.
So business terms में हमारा 40% है, I agree, but because हमारा in your terms हमारा CAC or whatever you customer acquisition is very less.
Very
But I have friends in Delhi जिनके customer acquisition cost बहुत high है. I have a friend in Delhi where I only practice who says that उनके per customer acquisition cost is around 50,000.
So when they say CAC, like how usually they like how
So
do they
one
market?
IVF cycle would cost you around 1.5 lakh rupees.
Okay.
ठीक है. और वो पेशेंट आपकी हॉस्पिटल के दरवाजे पे आया और उसने सारा ट्रीटमेंट करवाया, उसको हॉस्पिटल के अंदर लाने में आपको कितना पैसा लगा?
Okay.
तो वो 1.5 लाख की ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आया है, तो 50,000 तो उसका कस्टमर एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट है. फिर बचे 1 लाख रुपए, उसमें से आप 40% निकालो, बेस्ट केस तो 40,000 आपने कमाया, विच इज़ नथिंग. सो दैट डिपेंड्स.
So today majorly we're gonna talk hell lot of about IVF, which is booming, and जितना मेरे को पता है लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंक्लाइन होते हैं सीरीज़ और मूवीज़ देख के. अब उसमें भी इतना IVF लाइक सेलिब्रिटीज़ की लाइफ दिखाते हैं, तो उसमें इतना IVF हो गया है. सो पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड नॉर्मलाइजिंग दिस थिंग, राइट. यूजुअली पहले किसी के भी घर पे बोलो कि मेरे को IVF करवाना है, नहीं भाई तो कर मत, वो ज़्यादा बेटर है.
करेक्ट.
This was the mentality
Correct.
before. Now, celebrities like Neeta Ambani, Farah Khan, Amir Khan, everyone has
Correct.
done IVF. So, what exactly is IVF? I really want to start in a very layman term so
Basically,
that people realize.
yeah, fair enough. IVF is basically a treatment for patients who are infertile,
Right.
जिनको फर्टिलिटी प्रॉब्लम है. फर्टिलिटी ट्रीटमेंट का पिनेकल है IVF. इट स्टार्ट्स ऑफ विथ सिंपल मेडिसिन्स. अगर यू आर न्यूली मैरिड, गॉड फॉरबिड आपको कभी ज़रूरत ना पड़े, टच वुड, बट से इफ़ यू हैव स्टार्टेड ट्राइंग फॉर प्रेगनेंसी, 1 साल तक आपने ट्राई किया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रहा, यू हैव अ ग्रेट सेक्शुअल लाइफ, यू आर एबल, यू कैन डेडिकेट टाइम, बोथ ऑफ यू आर हेल्दी एंड you've tried for 1 year and you've not conceived, then ideally आपको infertile label किया जाता है because 80% of couples conceive in 1 year.
1 year.
Provided you are less than 35. अगर आप 35 के ऊपर हो तो 6 महीने में you should conceive. If you don't, then you are labeled as infertile because then you have less time.
Right.
So once you are infertile, we try to evaluate कि क्यों नहीं ये हो रहा, ठीक है.
और मेजर रीजंस क्या होते हैं सर?
So male female both.
Right.
अभी तो almost equal they share. I think women most of the time the issues are some form of hormonal imbalances. You must have heard things like PCOS. And these are some very common.
You're answering all my questions already. I feel like I should just let you talk and there is nothing.
20 साल हो गए, अभी इतना नहीं बोल पाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, मार्केटिंग कम हो जाएगा, फिर ज़्यादा कैक बढ़ जाएगा अगर आंसर नहीं आया तो. But anyway, so yeah, PCOS है, hormonal problems है, age. I think these days the biggest problem with fertility is because people are not marrying young.
Early, yeah.
I have couples who get married at 40, couples who get married at 41, 42. It's very evident कि fertility कम हो जाएगी naturally. Also, divorce rates are quite high now. People are having second marriages, third marriages. So when you're in your second marriage or a third marriage, you're going to be again higher aged. And unfortunately, the world we live in is more polluted. The water, the food, the drinking, smoking, partying habits that we all enjoy, but it really causes a havoc with your body. And men, of course, with their stress levels, again with their hormonal problems. In fact, ऐसा बोला जाता है, interestingly, it will interest anyone in your podcast probably, कि men is considered the weaker of the gender biologically.
Why is that?
Because उनके genes weak है.
Weak है.
And in fact, they are so weak, so ज़्यादा damage men को हो रहा है, and apparently the men chromosome is getting smaller. So if nothing happens, यार evolution कुछ नया नहीं करता, तो probably within the next 500 years, men would become extinct. Well, that is the effect of everything in the world.
That's crazy.
Well, a women might not think so, but okay.
आपने दो चीज़ की sir, that PCOS and then smoking and drinking issue. What if someone is having PCOS and that someone is drinking and smoking? Is there any chances of having then a lot of like this delivery issue?
Of course. It is the worst thing you can do on your body. If you are already suffering from an hormonal imbalance, and if you drink more and you smoke more, you're just adding fuel to the fire.
What if the PCOS gets cured and after that?
So there are certain diseases that don't get cured. So PCOS is like diabetes. It's like हाइपरटेंशन. उसको आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, उसको क्योर कभी नहीं करोगे. तो अगर आपका डायबिटीज़ है, शुगर कंट्रोल किया, अच्छा हेल्थ मेंटेन कर रहे हो, खाना अच्छा खा रहे हो, तो आपके शुगर कंट्रोल में है, डजंट मीन यू आर क्योर. राइट, टुमारो अगर 1 महीना यू डोंट टेक केयर, सो इट विल फ्लेयर अप. सेम इज विद PCOS. इफ यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, ग्रेट. अगर 2 महीने न्यू ईयर पार्टी ज़्यादा कर ली,
PCOS को इतना बड़ा बीमारी क्यों बता दिया? इट्स लाइक इसको PCOS मतलब इट्स लाइक
बड़ा बीमारी तो नहीं बनाया, बट बहुत कॉमन हो गया है.
हाँ, बट जिस तरीके से लोग मतलब आई मीन ठीक है अभी
सी बिकॉज PCOS है ना बहुत मल्टी लेयर्ड है. बिकॉज वन, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट फर्टिलिटी. एक विमेन का पीरियड टाइम पे नहीं आता, उसकी वजह से उसका स्किन भी बिगड़ता है, उसका हेयर भी बिगड़ता है, उसको वेट इश्यूज़ भी होने लगते हैं, उसको रिप्रोडक्टिव इश्यूज़ भी होने लगते हैं, उसको मेंटल इश्यूज़ भी होने लगते हैं, बॉडी डिस्मॉर्फिया, एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस. वेट बढ़ेगा तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ेगा, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ेगा, डायबिटीज़ बढ़ेगा. it starts off with PCOS, but then it has so much. And again, बड़ा इसीलिए बनाया है because PCOS doesn't get cured. कैंसर आज भी बड़ा क्यों है? क्योंकि it doesn't get HIV आज भी बड़ा क्यों है? Because it doesn't get cured.
But ऐसे बताते सब लोग के now my PCOS is cured. So it's just for the time being.
Controlled.
If you do not, it's controlled. Right word.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I really want to know what are the chances of failure even after getting IVF?
Quite a bit. So on an average, if you are a good patient, when I say good patient as in आपके reports अच्छे हैं, आपको ज़्यादा major complications नहीं है, तो you are dealing with 60% success rate.
Okay.
Maximum 60-70% success rate. But say if you are at 40, I just had a patient 2 days back. She's 42 years old, married 6 months back, and now she comes and tells me, okay, I want to do an IVF. Let's do IVF, and I want make me pregnant. And her success rate is 20%.
Okay.
Because at 42 your success rate, that is why people freeze eggs या whatever जो भी पहले कर, इसीलिए लड़कियों को बोला जाता है कि या पेस्टर किया जाता है कि आप जल्दी बच्चा कर लो या मम्मी व्हाटएवर फैमिली चालू कर दो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली it's there are two sides of the coin. Of course one is of course their freedom and autonomy, but then उनकी reproductive age और क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज बहुत अलग होती है. क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज है कि आप हो 35 के और आपकी बॉडी भी 35 की बिहेव कर रही है. बट कभी कभी व्हेन यू डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी, व्हेन यू ड्रिंक एंड स्मोक अ लॉट एट इन योर 20s एंड डू योर ड्रग्स, you might be 35 but your body will act like 45.
There is a company in Shark Tank, it came, right, which tells you or which shows you what's the inside age of yours. So is it accurate?
But वो तो there are so many things, no? Like वो तो आप if you go to a good gym they do your
Right.
BMR.
BMI.
तो BMR में भी आपकी एज दिखाते हैं. So
Okay.
they give you your age and they compare your
So is it
health
accurate?
wise age.
Like, or
Accurate is a wrong term, but it is a depiction of
Okay.
your health. Definitely it does give you an idea.
and how much does this IVF on an average cost in India?
1.5 to 2 lakh
1.5.
per trial.
Per trial. Can you please tell me exactly
आपने पूछा ना सक्सेस रेट क्या है.
हाँ.
तो 60% को मतलब 1.5 से 2 लाख में हो जाएगा. वो बाकी के 40% को फिर सेकेंड टाइम करना पड़ेगा ना.
Oh.
तो सेकेंड टाइम वापस खर्चा लगेगा.
And now that IVF is becoming such a privilege to this wealthy family, alright, don't you think so that somewhere down the line it should be subsidized?
It is.
It is?
It is.
Like, can
You can go to a government hospital who does IVF and get it done.
Is it really?
अभी आपको खाना ताज में है और चाहिए दाम लारी का, तो वो नहीं होगा.
But is it subsidized? Wow, I didn't know that. I mean,
Everything in a medical college is free. Everything is free. There are IVF centers who are backed by government and NGO agencies who do IVFs in 30,000-40,000 also. It's a different thing that the success rates are not very good, because
Right.
IVF is also a matter of quality treatment over quantity, unfortunately. But and to answer your question fairly, they are less. So not all government colleges have that facility. Not all NGOs will have that facility, because again you understand the infrastructure, the maintenance of IVF is also costly.
costly. It's a costly
So
affair.
and secondly, unfortunately I don't know, but you understand IVF is not a life-saving treatment. I mean, technically it's not a
It's a
life-saving
life-making
treatment.
treatment.
Exactly. And it's also a life-saving treatment that only an IVF specialist will tell you, because वो बंदा या वो बंदी जो 15 साल से प्रेगनेंसी की ट्राई कर रही है, लाइक पेशेंट्स हैव कमिटेड सुसाइड बिकॉज ऑफ इनफर्टिलिटी, सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स, फैमिली प्रेशर्स, इन लॉज के प्रेशर्स. सो लाइफ सेविंग, बट टेक्निकली वो कैंसर नहीं है, टेक्निकली वो आपका एक्सीडेंट नहीं हो गया और कल आप मर नहीं जाने वाले. सो देन the government also needs to, and in a population of 1 billion, the government needs to prioritize where to give them funds for. So they give funds to something which is more triage करते हैं, जैसे कि रेड जोन वाले पेशेंट्स को पहले आपको फंड देना पड़ेगा ना. इनफर्टिलिटी वाले पेशेंट 6 महीने बाद भी पैसे इकट्ठे करके भी ट्रीटमेंट करा सकते हैं ना. आज का आज कराना ज़रूरी नहीं है.
करेक्ट. और एक इंसान कितनी बार IVF करवा सकता है?
वेल करा तो आप जितनी बार चाहे उतनी बार
बट व्हाट्स
करा
अ
सकते
हेल्दी
हैं.
नंबर?
Healthy is 3, I think. If you're not succeeding in 3, then there is a bigger
There is
problem.
a bigger problem.
Yeah, but I've had a patient who has done, मेरा highest number is around 14.
14.
Yeah. मतलब मैंने 14 times नहीं, but 13th time she came to me. In fact, she was a very famous actress in South.
Okay.
And
so what was the reason why she was not able to conceive?
her age was increasing and her
Okay.
ovaries were aging. Again, same problem. Actress, married late, whatever.
Right.
So 12 times she tried, 13 times she tried with us, miscarried, and 14 times she conceived twins. Again, one miscarried, and now she has a baby girl.
When you talk about pregnancy and everything, let's talk something about it. What's something you wish all pregnant lady should stop Googling about pregnancy?
Two things. One is I don't know, Googling, but I think they get obsessed with the nature of birth.
Okay.
You know, कि मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा vaginal होगा, मेरा cesarean होगा, मेरा natural होगा, मेरा unnatural होगा. To be very honest, it's really not in your hand. आपने कितना भी Google किया होगा या कितना भी prepare किया होगा, at the end of the day, it is that moment that's going to decide. And of course, your doctor that's going to decide. Second, I think बहुत टेक्निकल है, बट लोग अल्ट्रासाउंड रिपोर्ट को है ना बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखते हैं, विच इज़ गुड, बट वो एक एक चीज़ को फिर गूगल करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज साइंस ऑलवेज वर्क्स ऑन lower and upper limits. You know, you and me are not of the same weight.
Same.
You and me are not of the same height. You and me don't have the same hair color and the same skin complexion. So every baby is going to be different. They compare reports. अच्छा, इसके 5 महीने में बेबी 500 ग्राम का है, मेरा सिर्फ 450 का है. So that's something that they should not fall into. They get obsessed with a baby's weight. वेट कितना है, वेट कितना है, वेट कितना है, मुझे 3 किलो का बेबी चाहिए, मुझे 3.5 किलो का चबी बेबी चाहिए. A weight is not at all a parameter of a baby's health.
People have started designing babies these days. Is it true? Or is it just ये हवा है कि आजकल लोगों को किसी का नाक चाहिए, किसी का ये चाहिए?
So we have the probably.
What is exactly like this?
Yeah, so we probably have the tools to do that, but it's not legal, so we don't do it.
Okay, but it is happening somewhere.
So gene mutation कर सकते
What
हो.
exactly is this, sir?
So when you do an IVF, luckily,
Okay.
You have the baby before it's born, right?
Right.
So like for example, countries like Dubai and US, you can choose the gender of your baby. वो भी तो एक design ही हुआ.
ठीक है, right.
तो उसका टेस्ट करके you can choose. So now if you know that a particular gene will give you a particular trait, मान लो XYZ gene आपको blue eyes देगा. So you choose a baby that has an XYZ gene.
Oh.
Or you manipulate the gene of the IVF baby that you have made in the lab and change the gene to XYZ before putting it into the mother's uterus.
Can someone do X? मेरे को ये trait चाहिए, ये trait चाहिए, ये trait चाहिए. Combination of 2-3 things, or is it
You
just
can't
one?
do anything.
Like, right. You can choose.
You can't do anything. You can't choose anything right now. It's just not allowed.
No, it's not. I mean, I know, fair. It's
Technically,
not
you
allowed.
can.
Technically, can you?
Yeah, but you see, you understand when you do too much of changing,
It's gonna create a.
it comes with its set of complications. That is why it's not allowed ना.
Right.
Problem तो क्या है, सबको बना दो मस्त.
हाँ, of course.
ठीक है, अभी वो मस्त की definition is different, but whatever. So, but it's it you can't do it after. But what is allowed, which you should know actually, in fact, if you're talking about this, is there's so many patients जिनका हम disease निकाल देते हैं family में से. जैसे किसी family में थैलेसीमिया का बीमारी generation से चल रहा है, किसी family में XYZ बीमारी generation से चल रही है, जो genetic है.
Okay.
तो PGT is pre-implantation genetic testing. मतलब वो IVF बेबी बन गया, मान लो मैंने 4 बेबीज़ बनाए, उसको टेस्ट कर लो, इसमें से जो जेनेटिकली नॉर्मल बेबी है उसी को चूज़ करके डालो, तो वो फैमिली में वो जनरेशन से वो डिजीज़ चली गई.
Crazy fuck.
That is very common, that we do. It is very often we do. Thalassemia, albinism, अब हम लोग हिंदी में कोड बोलते हैं, you know, that white vitiligo होता है, हम people have crazy white skin, dwarfism,
Yes.
Down syndrome, ये सब rule out हो सकता है before pregnancy अब.
What is the right age of getting pregnant, according to you? According to you, I mean, of course.
Yeah. Technically, if you want a number, I think unfortunately it's between 25 to 33 for a girl.
For a girl,
For a man, maybe around before 40.
before 40.
Yeah.
It's like, right, without any complications. Of course, if there is, there will be.
Yeah, of course it's a choice,
Yeah.
but technically now it was 35 before, but it's becoming 33 now. And men also now, initially हमको लगता था कि men को कोई problem नहीं होता, वो 60 पे father बनते हैं, 70 पे बनते हैं, but now we know that men also after the age of 40-45, if they become parents, the children are having some issues, autism,
Right.
mentally retarded children.
Autism बहुत बढ़ रहा है. US में तो I mean every
Yeah.
second or third child is having autism, if I'm
Yeah.
correct.
Not so much, but yes, it's increasing.
Is it safe to have sex during pregnancy?
Not in your, only in certain duration, between your 13 to, not before 13 weeks. As in पहले 3 महीने में नहीं, because it's critical.
Okay. And can someone who is having like PCOS or thyroid will still have a smooth pregnancy?
Provided if you've taken care of yourself. इसीलिए something which is very, very common these days, luckily, because of awareness, is preconceptional counseling.
Okay.
So आप जब पापा बनने की सोचो, तो ideally whenever a couple thinks of becoming pregnant or having a child, they pre-check themselves. They go to a gynecologist, they understand what are the things that need to be taken care of. You stop drinking, smoking before 2 months. What are your dietary habits? And basic things such as supplements ले लो, फॉलिक एसिड चालू करते हैं लोग, तभी उनका थायराइड अगर चेक हो गया है, डायबिटीज़ चेक हो गया है, तो देन यू नो दैट यू विल नॉट लैंड अप विद कॉम्प्लिकेशन बिकॉज आपने अपने आप को ऑप्टिमाइज किया. इट्स लाइक यू आर रनिंग अ मैराथन बट यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड 3 months for it.
We were just talking behind the scenes right now that my chachi just delivered a baby. All right, in the car only. And you just say, I have delivered in rickshaw also.
I've delivered in a rickshaw, I've delivered in an elevator, I've delivered on stairs, I've delivered on the road, I've delivered on pavements, we have
This
removed.
generation, I guess, would have just said, I have made out over here, I have made out over here, I'm made out over here, and you are like, I've delivered kids over here.
Yeah, we've pulled baby out of commodes.
What? Crazy!
We've had women who have, who thought that, okay, abhi der hai, and she went probably potty karne gaye, and see, the baby waits for no one, whether it's a janam ke baad bhi aur janam ke pehle bhi.
Does it sometimes disgust you that वो potty भी साथ में हो something? Or
But
you're
it's a
just,
part of your training, na?
Yes.
Like,
but जब training लेना चालू किया था तब
yeah, of course.
what was your
Of
first?
course, I mean, we have had patients vomit on us, we have had patients pee on us, we have had patients do everything on us. So it does, but what do you do? See, also understand, you imagine a woman in labor. It's almost a life-threatening situation. A baby. I have delivered babies with my bare hands when you don't have the time to wear the gloves. It's like तुमको रोड पे किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया और उसको खून निकल रहा हो तो तुम उसको पकड़ ही लोगे ना. You're going to like your reaction is not going to be like, oh, I'm not going to touch, मेरे हाथ खून वाले हो जाएंगे. You're going to press the person to try to stop the bleeding. It's the same.
As this IVF trend is increasing, do you think so that this natural conception will become rare?
Okay, I'll change your word. IVF trend is not increasing, but the necessity of IVF is increasing, unfortunately. But natural तो कहीं नहीं जाने वाले. Superhumans तो superhumans ही रहने वाले. Like, and also understand, nature is
Beautiful.
Yeah, so tricky that sometimes when a patient comes to me and tells me, and I will say, okay, you have just like a 10% chance of getting pregnant, and she ends up getting pregnant like that. And I have patient who I feel that अरे तुम्हारा तो कुछ problem ही नहीं है, चलो you will
Miracle
get
thank you.
pregnant. And sometimes they don't, and you don't understand why that person is not getting pregnant.
What's the most craziest experience you ever had?
यार बहुत सारे, मतलब कैसा क्रेजी चाहिए तुमको?
अरे वाह यार,
रुला देने वाला क्रेजी चाहिए,
रुला देने
बहका देने वाला, टेक्निकल क्रेजी चाहिए, लाइक
Okay, technical आपने बोला, so what are the latest advancements you have seen in this fertility space?
So I just recently delivered a patient from Australia. She was from Australia and she's a Muslim patient. So she had 3 abortions. Every time she used to conceive, she used to abort. Then finally she conceived, and you check, right? You keep on checking the baby. So on ultrasound, the baby, 4th time the baby came out to be abnormal, and the baby died around 5th or 6th month of the pregnancy itself. And she was just not able to figure out what is the problem. So she came to us, and then we realized that there was a genetic problem in the baby. So then we tried to find out that where did the baby get the genetic problem from. So we realized that the mother and the father, कहीं कोने में उनकी बॉडी में एक जीन का म्यूटेशन होके रखा था, जिसकी वजह से हर बार जब वो प्रेग्नेंट होते थे वो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ जीन्स वर नॉट वर्किंग.
Okay.
सो वी फाउंड आउट दैट रेयर जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन. फिर उसका IVF किया. उसके IVF के पहले IVF में 3 बच्चे जो बने, तीनों बच्चों में म्यूटेशन निकला. वापस IVF किया. लकीली सेकेंड टाइम में एक बच्चा ऐसा निकला जिसमें म्यूटेशन नहीं था. And then we transferred it into her uterus, and she got pregnant. And now, as I was saying initially, also now that family will never have this problem.
Okay.
So it's a huge boon. And so a lot of times couples have these hidden genetic issues, because क्या होता है कि हम और जैसे आप और आपके वाइफ है, आपको माइनर इश्यूज होंगे, ठीक है, तो यू विल बी नॉर्मल. बट वॉट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, योर बेबी, व्हेन यू मेक अ बेबी विथ योर पार्टनर, आपका एंटायर जीनोम नहीं जाएगा. आप आधा दोगे और आधा आपकी वाइफ देगी. तो आपके साइड का जो आधा आ रहा है वो अगर खराब आया, देन फॉर दैट बेबी इट विल नॉट वर्क. यू हैव 2 pairs, so it might work for you. You have a spare. but the baby might not get the spare.
Crazy, मेरे तो दिमाग ऐसा, it's like crazy. Let's talk about egg freezing, which is
Yeah.
again आजकल सब बात कर रहे हैं.
बात ही कर रहे हैं, इतना करा नहीं रहे.
क्यों? अरे गंदा नहीं आ रहा, चलो मार्केटिंग करेंगे. We have seen Ram Charan's wife.
Correct.
All right, who opted for egg freezing. According to you, what is egg freezing and what is the right age for egg freezing?
So as we discussed, now why is infertility getting more common? Because the age is increasing. So if you come at 40 and you tell me I want to get pregnant with IVF, it doesn't work because eggs ही नहीं है. Understand very basic concept. A woman takes birth with a certain reserve of eggs. उसके बैंक अकाउंट में कुछ नंबर ऑफ एग्स है, वो कभी उसमें ऐड नहीं कर पाती. एंड एज शी ग्रोज ओल्डर उसमें से एग सब्ट्रैक्ट ही होते जाते हैं. एंड देयर कम्स अ टाइम व्हेन योर बैंक अकाउंट बिकम जीरो, विच इज योर बेसिकली योर एग अकाउंट बिकम जीरो. व्हेन इट बिकम जीरो उसको हम मेनोपॉज बोलते हैं. किसी का जल्दी, किसी की खर्च ज़्यादा होते हैं तो किसी के बैंक अकाउंट जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है, किसी का स्लो होता है, व्हाटएवर. सो ऑन एन एवरेज टिल 35 50-60% of women will be okay. So if you are planning, or is there a possibility of you not conceiving till 33 or 35, you should ideally consider egg freezing. It again, जैसे हमने बात की थी biological age और chronological age, आपकी biological age freeze हो जाएगी because अंडा freeze हो जाएगा. In case you are someone who suffered from severe disease, किसी को major surgery है, cancer है, chemotherapy है, uterus निकालना पड़ रहा है, ovary निकालनी पड़ रही है young age पे, तो उनको पहले कराना है because उसके बाद तो possible ही नहीं है.
What is the cost of egg freezing?
It's the same as IVF.
Same. And why is it such? It's like not proper accessible to a lot of women.
It is accessible to everyone, but I think people are still not wrapping their head around the idea of कि ऐसे कैसे egg freeze हो जाएंगे. You know, I think the people are still not able to understand. Again,
Awareness नहीं है?
Awareness है, but I think they're not understanding the gravity of the situation. I think they feel, again, as we have discussed, कि they feel मतलब ये life threatening. अभी कल बोलो egg freezing नहीं कराएंगे तो कल ये हो जाएगा, या कल तुमको कैंसर हो जाएगा तो सब कराएंगे. Also understand, I don't want to get very heavy, but unfortunately our society is not really progressive and not really sympathetic towards women health. अभी men को बोलो कि 35 के बाद कल कोई आदमी बाप नहीं बन पाएगा तो सब कराएंगे. But unfortunately women are being ignored. That's the reality.
Thing, but it's a
we have told, so like you हम तो then we see patients day in and day out, like when you suggest, you see that they feel that's not important.
Let's talk about surrogacy in India. I mean, I don't know how to put this question, but how do we protect these poor women, all right, who are being treated like a rental wombs, who are still giving an infertile couple a chance?
You know, it is a very big misconception that surrogates are not protected, surrogates are not taken care of, surrogates are abused. Look, there are black sheeps in the family everywhere.
Right.
We are not talking about them. वो तो politicians भी corrupt निकलते हैं, और मतलब there is corruption everywhere. Generally, say for example tomorrow you need surrogacy, और आपको कोई फीमेल ने surrogate बनने के लिए हाँ बोला है. I have never seen a couple not take care of her. Why would you not? In fact, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी कि मेरी वाइफ को जितनी दवाइयाँ और अच्छा खाना मिलता है उससे ज़्यादा सरोगेट को मिलता है. बिकॉज यू नो दैट कपल हु सफर्ड सो मच टेक्स केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. आपकी दवाइयाँ से लेके उसको बेड रेस्ट चाहिए बेड रेस्ट, उसको टैक्सी चाहिए उसको टैक्सी दो, उसको ये खाना है प्लीज़ मंगवा के दो. बिकॉज उनका बच्चा भी तो उनको हेल्दी रखना है. उनको 2 दवाई से काम नहीं चल रहा, 3 चल रहा है, आप 4 दो. मैंने आज तक ऐसा कभी नहीं सुना.
क्या लोग इसका फ़ायदा भी उठाते हैं that I am being your surrogate, you have to do this, and
does happen sometimes, but you have to deal with it. It's an art of dealing it. It's also about where you are, मतलब आप किसके पास surrogacy करा रहे हो, कौन आपका mediator है. You know, if you have a reliable person, if you have a good doctor, if you have a good team, if you have people who have experienced in doing surrogacy, they know how to deal with the situations.
Scrolling on while I was researching about this, I read a very stupid and right question at the same time, जो सबके मन में I guess होता होगा. Who would be or should be considered the real mother after surrogacy?
You tell me.
I mean, someone who's giving the baby birth or someone who's taking care of that child.
आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल आंसर ना. वो तो मतलब इसको रिलीजियसली आंसर करो, साइंटिफिकली आंसर करो, इसको
सब अलग ही होगा.
नहीं, सब सेम है ना. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द मदर हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड एंड ग्रोज द चाइल्ड इज द मदर. हाउ डज इट मैटर वो कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Right.
Absolutely doesn't. So tomorrow if someone is adopting a child, you think they are not the parents. Tomorrow if
I
किसी का
saw a post, उसके नीचे comment था and that person has pinned that comment and उसके ऊपर nearly 1 million likes थे उसके. That's
What was
the
the
reason
comment?
that who is the real mother.
correct, but मेरे लिए तो I don't think it is
Yeah.
like, I mean irrespective of whether I was a gynec doctor or not, मतलब I've seen so many couples जिसके भाई बहन मतलब elder brother की death हो गई या parent अभी like I recent plane crash that happened in Air India last week in Tuesday. I had a patient who has come जिसका elder brother and bhabhi both were on the plane and the plane has crashed, and that couple was taking infertility treatment from me. The couple is from London, and they said that we'll have to stop our treatment right now, not just because of course people passed away in their family, but they said now my brother and sister-in-law had a kid, and I think it falls. We have the responsibility of the kid, so they're going to take care of the kid now, and they have paused their infertility treatment. Maybe we'll think of a kid maybe a year later because वो बच्ची छोटी है. So what will you say after 5 years? Who's the real parents? Of course, the one who's taking care.
I saw a very beautiful reel on your page. Water baby. You were delivering or giving a birth
Yeah,
to
yeah.
a water baby. What exactly is that? And
I think it's a little overrated.
but it looks so beautiful. At the same time, it was like, how? I mean, there are different
Yeah. I
moods
mean,
to it.
there are advantages and disadvantages of water birth. It's a great thing if you want to do it, but it's not इतना fancy और इतना कुछ अलग भी नहीं है.
But वो क्या है क्या?
You deliver
Look
in
तो
the water.
fancy रहा था.
Because वो तो अभी फैंसी दिखाने के वो मदर को जाके पूछो कितना
But
फैंसी.
वो क्या था exactly?
Basically, water birth is you deliver in the mother sits inside a pool of water. It's said that when you sit inside a lukewarm pool of water, little bit of your pain sensitivity decreases. आपका हम जो pelvis बोलते हैं उसके muscles relax होते हैं तो birthing में
Oh, okay.
easiness आती है यार. It becomes a little smoother. इतना भी black and white नहीं है, but some people opt for it and you can do it. But lot of things have to be right for you to deliver at water birth. Your pelvis needs to be right, your baby weight needs to be right, your baby position needs to be right, you should have an uncomplicated pregnancy. इतना भी easy नहीं है.
Okay. Let's talk about common myths on the topic which we are talking. So, matlab, there were a lot of myths, but I'm just reading out people. My team and me have researched well, and we all एक 3 common myths जो majorly हमको बहुत common लगे. I'm just gonna ask and put it across. Does stress really affect fertility?
It does. It does.
So, how a person should work on that thing?
So when I say stress, देखो बहुत subjective है, but it's like you can smoke 10 cigarettes a day and be the healthiest person in the world, and you might have just smoked. You might be a non-smoker and still land up with lung cancer. So it's very, very subjective. But the thing is, if your stress doesn't let you sleep, if your stress doesn't let you eat, if your stress doesn't let you maintain a good healthy lifestyle, it's going to affect every part of your body. It's not just fertility, right? स्ट्रेस से लोगों के बाल भी झड़ जाते हैं, स्ट्रेस से लोगों का वेट बढ़ने लगता है, किसी का कम होने लगता है, किसी के पीरियड्स बंद हो जाते हैं, किसी का इरेक्शन बंद हो जाता है. तो obviously it's going to affect us.
तो क्या ये लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करने से कैन समवन रिवर्स देयर इनफर्टिलिटी?
Of course, the first thing you need to do with an infertile patient is to make their lifestyle correct.
तो
तुम्हारी
100%
लाइफ अभी तुम you are undergoing IVF and every day you're smoking 10 butts of cigarette and you're having a full bottle of alcohol every day. Your IVF is not going to work.
Okay. Let's talk about AI, and let me put it with this myth. Can AI or genetic screening actually predict the embryo quality?
Genetic screening can. AI still too early, but it will, I'm sure.
एंड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम बहुत लोग हैं ना, अभी बीच में मैं पूछने वाला था बट मैंने पूछा नहीं. यूजुअली लोग है ना रिपोर्ट्स देख के चैट जीपीटी को पूछ लेते हैं आजकल हर चीज. तो इज चैट जीपीटी रिलायबल?
I think I'm one of those doctors. I feel you should Google. I don't mind But the only reason you should Google is to ask the right questions.
And
With
who
your
will
doctor.
justify what is right and what is
The
wrong?
doctor, no?
Okay.
मतलब आपने पढ़ लिया, ठीक है, बट उसको रिकन्फर्म कर लो जब आप अपने डॉक्टर की विजिट पे जा रहे हो.
अभी
right?
मैं एक डॉक्टर के विजिट पे गया था
हाँ.
एंड आई जस्ट टोल्ड माय डॉक दैट माय आयरन इज वेरी लो एंड दिस एंड दैट आई रियली नीड टू गेट द बॉटल्स डन. इज लाइक कौन कह रहा है? मतलब चैट जीपीटी इज लाइक बकवास स्टूपिड
Fair enough.
ridiculous
So you confirmed, no?
ridiculous yeah
It would
ridiculous.
have
Your
been
iron
wrong
is
अगर if you would
fine.
have gone to a nurse and
Yes.
said कि चलो मुझे iron चढ़ा दो.
So basically you cannot rely on ChatGPT. You can rely just for
You can take
basic
help.
questions,
Yeah.
help, but
See, understand, every disease or every report doesn't need treatment.
yeah.
ठीक है, आप अभी बहुत ट्रेंड है वो 5,000 का और 2,000 का हेल्थ चेकअप कराते हैं जिसमें 25 रिपोर्ट निकलती है, उसमें
Right.
उसमें 10 चीज़ ब्लैक में आती है.
I don't want to even get
Correct.
the brand name out. But
Everywhere.
yeah,
It's everywhere.
But is it?
It's
मैंने
one of
अभी
the most useless money that I would rather say you
don't
use
get
that.
the report.
नहीं, I mean, yeah, exactly.
But I really want to take this brand name. I'm not saying that whether you want to answer or not, but so I got a report done from Tata जिसकी ये स्कीम थी एंड एट द सेम टाइम जब मैंने डॉक्टर को बताया आई वॉज फेसिंग दैट इशू बट वो रिपोर्ट्स में नहीं थे.
Correct.
बट जब मैंने दूसरे प्राइवेट जगह से रिपोर्ट्स करवाई दैट रिपोर्ट्स वर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट.
Correct.
That's when the doc told me that my child do not go for such जो बल्क में जा रहे हैं and this is ridiculous. और
Look,
रिपोर्ट
that-
थी most fucked up
I know,
part
I know,
was
I get
most
what
fucked
you're
up part
saying.
was sorry to interrupt most fucked up part was मैंने रिपोर्ट सूरत में कराई, मेरा जवाब तुरंत सूरत में आया विद इन 4 to 5 hours और ऊपर लिखा हुआ था रिपोर्ट हैज बीन डन इन अहमदाबाद.
ओके, बहुत सारी टेक्निकल चीज़ें हैं इसमें, बट रिपोर्ट तो गलत आ ही सकती है. बट एज आई सेड, आई रियली डोंट प्रोपोगेट डूइंग होम सिट, घर पे बैठ के कोई आपका ब्लड ले गया. हु इज़ डिसाइडिंग व्हाट टू डू? ठीक है, अल्टीमेटली ये रिपोर्ट्स ही है. देखो, आप प्राइवेट में भी कराओगे तो वही मशीन्स करने वाली है. बट माई पॉइंट इज़, वन, हाउ मच इज़ नेसेसरी. सेकेंड इज़, इसमें 15, 20, 25, 50 जो भी टेस्ट कर लिए उसमें से बहुत सारे टेस्ट एबनॉर्मल आएंगे. बट एवरी एबनॉर्मल टेस्ट वन डिड नॉट बी ट्रीटेड, सो यू विल पैनिक फॉर नो रीज़न. तो अल्टीमेटली तो आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना ही है. तो वाई नॉट गो टू द डॉक्टर एंड जस्ट आस्क फॉर डूइंग टेस्ट दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड. देर आर सर्टन, लाइक इफ़ यू नो यू आर डायबिटिक, यू डोंट नीड अ, देन ठीक है, हर 3 महीने आप ब्लड की टेस्ट करा लो, शुगर की टेस्ट करा लो, हाइपरटेंशन की टेस्ट करा लो, कोलेस्ट्रॉल की टेस्ट करा लो. ठीक है. टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग, इन योर रिपोर्ट, द रिपोर्ट इज़ इन अहमदाबाद. मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता है, कलेक्शन ब्लड का इधर होता है बट वो लोग भेजते हैं कहीं और टू टेस्ट बिकॉज द मशीन्स आर देयर.
विद इन 3 hours 4 hours
No,
the
that's not
report
possible.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I really thought to just
but see,
do
that's,
something
it again
about
comes to
it.
the same thing now when we are talking about subsidized things. And देखो, medicine में एक चीज़ याद रखना, I don't know how controversial this is going to be, but the more cheaper you try to find, that's not the answer.
But don't you think so at the same time people mentality is that ये जो महंगा है ये सिर्फ अच्छे डॉक्टर लोग से चार्ज कर रहे हैं महंगा, बट ये जो सस्ती चीज़ है इट्स फाइन. लाइक आई मीन
but-
जब ये सस्ती चीज़ हो रही है तो ये इतना महंगा क्यों जा रहा है, तो लोगों के दिमाग में ये भी आ जाता है.
Yeah, true, you're right. But क्यों अच्छा, like again, it's a very stupid example. But again, why is a 5-star charging you higher charges? Because they know that they are going to give you the quality treatment and they know that they are responsible. You can go back and shout at them if they have not provided you those services. They know that the quality management is better. So yes, if the doctor might charge higher, but because he's confident enough to charge higher, na.
बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर होटल में मेरे को कोई सर्विस अच्छी नहीं लगी, द होटल विल गिव मी अ डे फ्री स्टे.
कोई भी नहीं देता.
ठीक है,
कोई देते
मैंने तो
हैं.
लिया है भाई.
हाँ, वो
ठीक है,
वो
let's
निकालना
talk about-
आना चाहिए, तो वो
हाँ,
डॉक्टर भी
वो
आपको
तो
फ्री
marketer है
ट्रीटमेंट.
ना.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो आपके कभी मतलब टॉपिक पे ऐसी कभी कोई चीज हुई है?
Yeah. So many times, sometimes there's so many times when you feel that, okay, maybe I could have done this in a different way. We tell the patient, okay, I think we should try this one more time. And I have done it so many times. There are so many patients who cannot afford, and I feel that, we can do something better. We tell them that, okay, I'm not going to charge you for it. Let's just get it done. And if you feel that it's worked, maybe you can pay me. If you don't pay me,
Let's crop this thing and use it मेरे टाइम पे.
So no, that's true. No, so sometimes बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ना. It's not just about technical. Humanity wise also sometimes you don't charge. Sometimes you so the patient is arguing with you so much. So many times I've said, okay, I don't need money from you. You get the treatment. If you're treated, pay the money, but then you'll pay double. वो भी करता हूँ ना.
But
I will say that I'm going to
आपको
also.
लगता है that this young blood of these days should opt for this education more than brain, like how we started this podcast कि भाई हर बार पैसा 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 के पीछे मत भागो कि भाई ब्रेन सर्जन बनोगे तो बहुत पैसा है, हार्ट सर्जन बनोगे तो बहुत पैसा है.
Oh,
Or is it all
यार.
passion or something
It
which you
is.
like?
I think it is. मतलब मैं जब मैं 18 साल का था, we never could think that someone like a sari draper could be a celebrity, right?
Right.
When I was at 18 years old, I used to love Kathak, and we never thought it could be a career, right? I used to love literature and reading novels, but everyone said that essay लिखने हैं या newspaper article लिखना है, वो तो तुम वैसे वो थोड़ी ना stable job है, so
It's everything you find
मतलब
along the
लोग
way. It's the process.
Exactly. So I think if you're good at it, anything works today. People are, as you said, people are ready to pay premium prices for premium services. If your service is crap, then no one is going to pay you.
I'm sure. You won't believe, Dr. Yuvraj, that this is one of the craziest on-point podcast I've done.
I'm usually known to speak a lot. So I'm happy when you say on point.
No, yeah, because I always try to podcast में से बीच में अरे जल्दी बोलना I'm like, and this is the first podcast, like I'm like
चलो,
मेरे
great.
तोते उड़ा दिए, ठीक है. I've got so much of insights for my viewers, and it was a
Pleasure.
good talk. Thank you so much, Doc.
Good. It was great.
Chalo.